Are you doing the right workout as per your body type? Friends, there are different types of workout, but it doesn't mean it going to suit your body. If I ask a person who is 130 kg to run a 1 mile, maybe it can be hard for her or for him. But how to adapt a workout as per your body type is equally important science like the nutrition, because nutrition has its own boundaries, because you cannot achieve everything just on the basis of nutrition only. You have to adapt some workouts in your life. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach, I'm a lifestyle expert, and I help people to reduce their fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality by giving them the tools so that they can build their extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, if I talk about the workouts, then I remember about myself that I wanted to have the six pack of abs by losing my fat. But the gaining of muscle and losing of fat, both are the different. And I do not know about the people or about the other coaches how they do, but as a part of me and my practices, usually I try with the workouts of the HIIT, and I try with the workouts like Tabata along with my clients so that I can help them out to lose their fat. As I am a weight loss expert, so that's why I do not have much clients about the muscles, but I know that the muscle building is something is related with the how many calories you're going to consume to gain muscles. So which is opposite of the fat losing, and the exercises are also quite different. So friends, this is all about the fat exercises that you need to adapt a different schedule and a different approach to reduce your fat. And to know about your exercise and your workout, you have to do some action, and you have to gain some knowledge about it. Friends, today I would like to tell you about the three categories of the workouts where we can distinguish the people into it so that they can decide, so that you can decide that where you fit into it. The number one category is the people who are trying to lose their weight. The exercises which they need to adapt as per their ability only. Because if I'm going to give them the HIIT session or any other workout, cardio workout for the half an hour, maybe they are not able to cope up with that very workouts. But the 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 30 minutes, if they do go step by step, then definitely they can achieve their weight loss goal in a faster way. I have seen many people who has lost around 10 kg in just 45 days. And most of my clients, I usually take guarantee that I can help them to achieve a 10 kg of loss in just 45 days. So these are some of the things, but in which the not only the nutrition plays an important part, but the workouts also plays an important part. Where do you stand and how much best you give in your workout is equally important to lose your weight quickly. Once you lose your weight, then there is a part come which is known as the maintenance part, because now your body need to realize that this is your new weight. If your body is not going to realize that what is your new weight, then again the body will reach the obese weight. For example, if a person who is 130 kg and he or she has reduced 30 kg of weight, but again you are not doing the workouts for the maintenance or the diet to maintenance, then again, or still you are losing your weight and trying to lose your weight, but your weight plateau is not going down, or even you are not maintaining, then it can be a problem for you, because your metabolism has not adjusted with 100 kg. That's why your metabolism again going to become slow, and you again going to become fatty, and you going to stop again at 130 kg, and the criteria can become worse also. That's why if you are losing your weight, it doesn't matter, you keep on losing. Take some break, a 28 days break, 25 days break, 15 days break, so that your body at least can adjust with the new weight. And once you again extinguish your metabolism, so that Once your metabolism is once again a in a normal way, then again you can start losing your weight. That's why the second category is for the maintenance of the people. The exercise for the maintenance of the people, that once they are in the maintenance, they can adapt different changes. They can opt for football, cricket, walking, boxing, or golf playing, whatever kind of activity which they want to apply in their life, they can apply. But they must do some twice or thrice in a week some kind of exercises of body weight, HIIT or cardio in a week. The third category is the advanced category. Advanced category for the people like me, that now I want to have the six pack abs. I want to build a 5 kg of the pure muscles. Now I want to play a championship of football. Now I want to play a championship of basketball. Now I want to do a marathon, a big marathon event of the year. So in these exercises or in these goals, there are other types of exercises which a person required to do. Like if I talk about me, that if I want to increase the 5 kg of my muscles, then every time I am going to do my exercise with failing. And there is a term known as reverse pyramid workouts, which I will apply in my exercises. So that's why you just don't need to go inside of the workouts, but the workouts which I need to do to adapt muscles or adapt my goals is quite different from the weight loss. So that's why don't try to copy any of the workouts. So basically the main motto of this video is this, that if you want to reduce your weight, you need to gain some knowledge about the HIIT and Tabata, watch some videos, gain some knowledge, join some coach, and after that apply that science into your life and lose your weight. Don't put weightlifting and don't do any wrong exercises in your life. Friends, if you want to reduce your weight up to 10 kg, then I have created an ebook for you. Link I'm giving you in the description so that you can start your health journey. I'm giving you 7 days diet plan into it. I'm giving you some beginners workouts also. If you want me to give you some personal dieting, some personal coaching in nutrition plus workout, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. And what I'm able to, usually I help people to reduce their 10 kg of weight, not in the months, not in the weeks, but in the days. Every day you will count that your weight has been reducing. So if you want me to make me as your coach, then feel free to message me or contact me directly. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.